Construction site thefts are costing developers hundreds of thousands of dollars. Noah's Animal Hospital has been broken into more than a dozen times. Heating units were stolen off the roof and a contractor's truck was stolen. IMPD says this is part of a surge they're seeing within the community.
Every time we have to replace equipment, fix equipment, bring in extra dumpsters because of that extra trash, repaint over graffiti, that's dollars that cannot be then used to help them and their pets.
We encourage those companies to, maybe do surveillance or maybe hire off-duty police officers when you're not being able to man those construction sites.
IMPD says reporting is key in trying to stop this growing trend. The non-emergency line, what they recommend you call, is 327-3811.